Before we begin, I want to go into a little bit more detail about how this course is organized and give you access to some resources that I think can be helpful to you down the road. So the course is organized into two main sections. The first section we're going to cover goes into very deep detail on the individual questions that we're going to cover as part of the certification exam. And so you'll see a video similar to this in the next section. Take care to pay attention to all the individual points and watch the video from end to end, because they'll be directly reflected in the practice exams that we're going to give you. In the second section, we're going to do a deeper dive into the individual analytics report. So you want to watch that just to be sure that all of the different points that we cover very quickly as a part of those two core videos really stick home so that you understand how to navigate through Google Analytics. And lastly, some great course resources that we've included. We've included links to a lot of our social channels where we push out really fantastic content. We do video interviews with marketing professionals that we'll post to Instagram TV, LinkedIn, and all sorts of different channels. And so if you're looking to get something a little bit more personal, I write opinion pieces on Medium and answer questions on Quora. And so really, whatever your sort of social channel of choice, consider following us, because we send out fantastic content for how to improve your business through various marketing initiatives. And lastly, I hope you consider signing up for Hound, a growth management intelligence system. It allows you to integrate your Google Analytics so that you can set company goals, work on initiatives through predefined marketing templates, and view advanced reporting based upon all that goal data that you wanted to see. It's really built for the marketing professional in mind so that you can see your analytical data at work and align that with your marketing strategy and implementation. Okay, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the course. Thanks.